Hey everybody, it's Brandon with the Forex Street, and I was going to give y'all a breakdown of this Aussie dollar trade that we have currently. This is the demo account. Just noting that I'm not giving professional advice. I'm not certified. So I guess after disclaiming that, let's look at Aussie right now. And we see that Aussie's been a long-term bull market right here. That's over 600 pips. And we have this little gap. So we have this level right here, which is an order block. Let's make that a straight line. And we see this little gap right here. We have a gap in price. It has been efficiently traded. So I'm really looking for price to get down there before it continues in an upward trend, because we have some higher target objectives. We have this high right here that we'll be looking for. So this is kind of a counter trend trade, but I think it's a good one, so I'm taking it. So we have, I guess that's from the higher time frame down, and we have these small little wicks. So small ranges usually beget large ranges, so we're looking for large range days. This might be a wick down here, and then we continue higher. So if we look what happened today, it was an up close day. It went up, it came down, now it's back in the middle. But right here we have equal lows right here. Whenever I see equal lows, I see money. I'm a student of ICT, and this is one of his trademarks, is seeking out liquidity. So we have two equal lows here, and we're resting right below it. That means everybody that was long all the way from down here is putting their stops. They're jamming their stops here. And then when they moved it up like this, they jam their stops here. And they keep moving it up. That's the banks buying. They're buying. All they're doing now is about to go take these lows out and get all the stop losses for everybody that was already long. Come here, reload their positions. So as they take the stops, they're reloading their positions, then they'll go long. So until that happens, I'm not taking any Aussie dollar longs unless it gets above this level. So on the 4-hour chart here, we have our targets. Our target is here. We're short. I mean, it's 70 odd pips, but we're risking 20. So, a little over 3 risks, or 3 reward to 1 risk. So I think it's a very viable trade. Usually what happens in times like these, the market just tends to, when it's slowly going like this, the market may not wait for London or New York, and may just drift down and go down here. And what we want to see is a quick move down, like boom. So we want to see quick movement. When they have these quick moves, you see how this quick move happened, everybody started to get long, then it slowly went away. That was long here before. So we're looking for a quick movement down, fill our limit order, take profit, and that's what we want. So if we look closer, this is the 4-hour. We have our target. We have our place we want to offload our shorts at. If we look here, we have stops that we're taking right here. So everybody that was short right here, they put their stops up here when the price started to drop. They took those stops out and rejected. We got short earlier up here and took 20 pips off. When it started to reject below this low and come back up, that's when I knew it might consolidate a little bit more. So took our profit and don't worry, we always get back in. Not worried about entries, just about where the market's going. So we have this block right here. Again, these are ICT concepts and stuff on the internet. If you want to subscribe to that, we have this block. So here, the market makers or the banks were buying to take out this stop. Okay. So they were buying to take out that stop. So the banks, they buy when the price is going down and they sell when the price is going up. So in this block, they were buying, took out the stops, and then they brought it down below it. Now they came back to this block. So this is where they were buying at. And now they have, when the price went all the way down here, all those buys were underwater. They were losing money on all those buy orders. So now they come back up here and mitigate their losses. So now they pretty much break even on those buy orders they took to take up here. This is what ICT calls a breaker. So now we're looking for them to reload on shorts here. So we want price to quickly drop here. And we had news at 6:35 Eastern time. It is almost 7 o'clock Eastern time now. So I was expecting some bearishness from that news announcement, but didn't get it. We might get it here in Asian session. So just waiting for that rollover. So that's pretty much breaking down the short idea for Aussie today. So we'll see how it plays out.